Welcome to the Stealth channel. In today's video we will examine the Boeing MQ-28A Ghost Bat, the Royal Australian Air Force's Loyal Wingman. The Boeing MQ-28A Ghost Bat is a stealthy, multi-role, unmanned Loyal Wingman platform developed for the Royal Australian Air Force by Boeing and will be produced in Australia by a team led by BoeingAustralia. The aircraft will be the first combat aircraft designed and developed in Australia in over half a century. The program was initially known as the Airpower Teaming System, or ATS, and was later known as the Loyal Wingman. A full-scale mock-up of the Ghost Bat was revealed at Avalon 2019, the Australian International Aerospace and Defence Exposition and Airshow. The first real aircraft was rolled out in May 2020. Testing started in the fall of 2020, and the first flight took place on February 27, 2021 at RAAF Base Woomera. An official naming ceremony was held at RAAF Base Amberley on March 21, 2022 to announce the Loyal Wingman would be known as the MQ-28A Ghost Bat in Royal Australian Air Force Service, named after an Australian bat found in northern parts of the Australian continent. The Ghost Bat is an Australian native mammal known for teaming together in a pack to detect and hunt, which reflects the unique characteristics of the aircraft's sensors and intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance abilities. The Ghost Bat is 38 feet long and should have a 2,300-mile range. It will fly independently, but will almost certainly operate remotely as well. The Ghost Bat is an unmanned aircraft which incorporates artificial intelligence and utilizes a modular mission package system in the nose where the entire nose of the aircraft can be removed and quickly swapped for another nose with a different set of equipment or armaments for various missions including combat, force reconnaissance and electronic warfare. One role will be to support manned Royal Australian Air Force aircraft, such as the F-35A Lightning II and FA-18F Hornet fighters, as well as supporting the E-7A Wedgetail airborne early warning and control aircraft with the purpose of defense and surveillance. The Ghost Bat will be designed to act as a Loyal Wingman that is controlled by a parent aircraft to accomplish tasks such as scouting or absorbing enemy fire if attacked, as well as operating independently. We are looking forward to seeing more of this exciting new aircraft as it progresses through its flight testing stage. I will endeavor to upload a new video each week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when I have uploaded a new video. I hope you will enjoy this content and continue to come back for more.